Alright, so the GT500 just showed up. We're gonna get it inside, do a full wash on it again, just to get all the polishing dust and oils off the car. Got a new C8 up on the lift. Say hi, Gabe. Ready to do it again?
Did I just do this car?
What are the odds? Well, we have two silver GT500s. Paint looks good after the correction. The black's got a whole new life to it. At least you got some practice on this one first.
Yeah. See how well the kits fit.
Ryan learned his lesson on the last one, so he's just going to go ahead and take the broke panel.
Yeah.
Look at that.
What happened there?
It goes out that way.
Did you unpop that too? Did you undo that?
Yeah.
Just get the wire cutters.
Alright, now we can do a full one piece. No seam install. Alright, so we got both door panels off, got both the handles off, mirrors off on both sides. We're going to start tomorrow morning. So we'll show you guys cutting the film out and getting the templates ready and everything that Ryan does to prep the car. See you in the morning. We got Ryan here, he's going to tell us a little bit about it. Obviously we got two GT500s, same color. One just has vinyl stripes and one has the painted stripe option.
This one's actually already done. So we did a full front, rockers, mirrors, and then this big tear-off section back here. And since this is our first GT500, mainly on the bumper, we noticed that Xpel did an awesome job designing the kit, but we're going to take a step further. So with this program, we're able to modify these templates. So where I'm making this orange or yellow, I can extend that edge. This is the outer bumper section where I said it was a little bit short, so let's extend this. All right.
Excuse you.
Yeah, sorry. Right now we're weeding off all the excess. And at the same time looking for any kind of imperfections in the film. Right now we're just applying ceramic boost, which is made by Xpel. This makes paint a little bit slippery so the film can glide over it, stretch easier, and then also down the road when you go to remove it, it should release easier as well.
Yeah, when we polish these cars, it makes the paint super grabby. It makes the install a little bit more difficult. So he's adding the ceramic boost spray just to give a little bit of slickness back on the paint. So that wraps up our paint protection film install with our partners at Auto Paint Guard. Now we will bring the car back to our shop so that we can remove the residues and smudges on the film from being handled. Our next video we will be applying G-Technic Halo to the film and various other G-Technic coatings to the car. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.